Welcome to second AV. We come up to B section, ways of interacting with others. In what way we can make interaction. Now we come to next point, creative abilities. That means creativity. In soft skill, creativity is very important. Creative abilities is defined as the ability to freely present oneself without limitation or anxiety. It also relates to one's preparedness to function at the maximum level of competence, creativity. For example, when you talk about how you creatively solve a problem in a previous or current position or innovated in a manner that led to increased productivity or revenue, you have provided an example of creativity. People who are creative find out new ways to solve problems, implement solution, develop new ways or cut cost. With the help of creativity, you can also cut cost. This is example of soft skill. Now D, emotional intelligence. Nowadays it is very important, emotional intelligence, EI. Emotional intelligence, it is also called as emotional quotient. In Marathi it is called as buddhyanka, buddhimatta. EI is the ability to understand, use and manage your own emotion in positive way, to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges and decreases conflict. Emotional intelligence help you to build stronger relationships, succeed at school and work, and achieve your career and personal goal. Buddhimatta, emotional intelligence. Now turn to next. Read the text and state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. First one, A. Bitter problems in day-to-day life can be solved by sweet words. Yes, you can solve any kind of problem by using sweet words. This is correct or true. Number two, great war could have been avoided by a little courtesy. Yes, great war can be avoided by using courtesy. It is also true. Statement is true. C. Observance of etiquette in a normal situation is important, but more important is their observance when the situation is adverse. ॲडव्हर्स सिच्युएशन असताना एटिकिटी पाळायलाच पाहिजे. एस, इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अँड करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, ट्रू. नंबर 4, डी. वर्ड्स लाईक प्लीज अँड थँक यू help us in making our passage through life uneasy. No. Words like please and thank you help us in making our passage through life easy, not uneasy. That means statement is false. Correct statement is it can make our life easy. Words like please and thank you always makes our life easy. Next, the law permit anybody to use violence if another person is discourteous. The law permits anybody to use violence if another person is discourteous. No, the law never permits violence. That means statement is totally false. The law permits nobody to use violence. This is correct statement. Here number A, B, C, these are true statement, and D and E false statement. Now move to next. Select the most appropriate sentences which suggest the theme of the essay. Now here A, B, C, D, that means 4 statements are given, and we have to select 2 statements which are appropriate, which are most appropriate, telling the theme of the essay. The essay tells us about courtesy, civility, morality, responsibility and control. Yes. B. The essay explores the difficulties that can be incurred by an individual when dealing with the public. C. One can keep one's peace of mind without having to lower themselves to the level of the perceived offender. one can keep one's peace of mind without having to lower themselves to the level of the pursued offender. No. People with low self esteem are generally difficult to work with and they look down upon others to get a feeling of superiority. Here, A and C, these are appropriate according to the text, according to the nature of the text. A and C, these are quite appropriate. A and C. B and D, these are not appropriate. A and C, two statements telling us theme of the essay. Now next, find the reason for the Lippmann's uncivilized behavior. Why was Lippmann uncivilized? Here, the passenger's discourteous behavior is hurting our Lippmann. Lippmann's self-respect was hurted due to the behavior of passenger or that man. It is nothing but insult of his social standing, and these are the reason of Lippmann's uncivilized behavior. Now next, B. List the people and their behavior that made the passenger rude and ill-mannered. List the people and their behavior that made the passenger rude and ill-mannered. Housemaid, wife. Now we have to complete this flow chart. Okay. Now let us see. Housemaid. What is the role of housemaid? Housemaid answered back to the cook. Now first answer is given by housemaid, and because of that cook is hurted. Now cook, second is cook. Cook is therefore rude to passenger's employer's wife. Cook is therefore rude to passenger's employer's wife. Now wife. Now what is the role of wife? Wife, she is henpecked at breakfast to her husband or man. She also behave rude with her own husband. Now number here, after wife, employer. Employer did not say good morning to the man or passenger, and because of that, number 5 here, passenger. Passenger get angry on Lippmann. And what is the role of Lippmann? A Lippmann threw passenger out of the lift. That means here cycle start with housemaid, housemaid to cook, cook to wife, wife to employer, employer to passenger, passenger to Lippmann, and in this way discourtesy or bad behavior, ill-mannered people can really spread such kind of virus here and there. Okay, now we turn to next part. Good manners are required in our daily life for making our social contacts more cooperative and friendly. Good manners illustrate the behavior of the polite conductor with different people in various situations. Now, in what way our conductor behavior? Situation is given here. First situation, the writer's sensitive toe was trampled on. What is the reaction? What is the behavior? The conductor said sorry with an apology and courtesy. Next, in the rainy season dealing with people, ह्या परिस्थितीला काय केलं? In the rainy season dealing with people, in what way conductor behave? In this situation, the conductor would run up the stair to give them the tip that there was a room inside. Now, third one, dealing with old people. In what way conductor behave here? The conductor behaved as a loving and caring son with old people. Okay, here we stop.